आप जो बुजुर्ग लोग हैं ना, आप जो आशीर्वाद देते हो बच्चों को, वो बहुत ज़रूरी है, मगर द सैड पार्ट इज़ योर चिल्ड्रन आर नॉट हियर। आपके जो भाई बहन है नहीं, बच्चे नहीं हैं यहाँ पे, किसी कारण आपको घर से बेघर कर दिया, राइट? वो हम नहीं जानना चाहते। हम आपको ये बताना चाहते हैं कि जब तक आप इधर हो, जब तक आप इधर हो, आप सरकार की जिम्मेवारी हो, आप हमारी मिनिस्ट्री की जिम्मेवारी हो, एंड वी विल, आपकी देखभाल हम करेंगे। There are a lot of people who sleep on the streets as well, and we are also looking after them. Unfortunately, we need space, and इतना डिमांड है पलवार से कि इनको ले लो, उनको ले लो। अब हम उनसे नहीं पूछेंगे क्यों आप इनको बाहर कर रहे हो, कोई फ़ायदा ही नहीं है। पंडित जी ने कहा कि जो रिलीजियस ग्रुप्स है वो प्रीच करते हैं कि अपने माँ बाप को, जो बुज़ुर्ग है, जो बीमार है, जो अपाहिज है, उनको घर में रखो। जब कोई फ़ायदा ही नहीं प्रचार करने का तो क्या करें? चलो हम आपके साथ यहाँ रहते हैं। So what I'm trying to say, ladies and gentlemen, please feel free to be here. This is your home, away from your home. If your families don't want you, don't worry about that. Every time I come here, I see you crying. I don't want to see anybody crying. Please आज रोना नहीं, ठीक है? अब रो नहीं, आप रोते हो, हमें रुलाते हो, सबको रुलाते हो। तो अब जो नहीं चाहते हैं आपको अपने घर में, तो क्या करेंगे? ठीक है, हम आपका देखभाल करेंगे, आपका खाना पानी सारे बंदोबस्त हम करेंगे। हम आपके फैमिली है, ये जो स्टाफ है, द स्टाफ आपका फैमिली है। आपके मुंह पे जो दुख है प्लीज़ हटा दो, क्या करेंगे? अब किस्मत से क्या लड़ना ना? Why do we have? How can we fight destiny? So the stay happy. You are looked after well. Stay cheerful, okay? And see, रो मत, प्लीज़ आप मत रो। ये जो सारे हैं ना आपके बच्चे हैं, ये जो केयर गिवर्स यहाँ पे आपके बच्चे हैं, आपके परिवार है, ये आपके घर वालों का लॉस है, आपका नहीं, ठीक है? आप रास्ते पर नहीं है, खाना 3 वक्त का मिलता है, मेडिकल मिलता है आपको, ये आपके साथ है। और अच्छा, okay. So ladies and gentlemen, I know you are the seniors are uncomfortable sitting outside for long. But what we will request from the community is for them to spare some time for them. I think that they not only need medical, they don't only need food and bed and breakfast, but need company. And I'm sure the homes will allow people to just come and, adopt one person and that person becomes your grandma or your grandfather. Come and spend time with them. So tomorrow the whole of the country will be celebrating Diwali. कितने घर आप लोग के घर में दिवाली मनेगा? But I'm sad to think, how does a family celebrate and light the diya and sweets and cleaning up everything when you don't spare a thought for your family members here? What kind of family is that? So it's a question that we as a society need to ask. And all faith-based organization, I think it's very important that we teach this in our sermons. Okay? We teach it to our younger children so that they don't do it to us. Believe me. If this is the trend we are setting, with numbers increasing, with demand for occupancy increasing, then our young ones are learning that. And we don't want young ones to. हम अपने बच्चों को ये सीख नहीं देना चाहिए कि आप बूढ़े हो गए हो, आपका दिमाग थोड़ा अच्छा काम नहीं करता, आपका पैर नहीं चल रहा, बस चलो. We have 3 homes in Fiji. And all 3 homes are packed with. And then, let me share this with you, we have people living in overseas who demand that we bring their seniors into the homes. People can afford it. You can afford a caretaker in your home, right? I think it's not about affordability. I think it's just not about affordability. I think it's just about families seeing elderly and the crippled and the disabled as a burden. And that's a fact. तो जौन फैमिली के फैमिली मेम्बर्स यहाँ पे है, what's the point of celebrating Diwali in your homes? What's the point of having Diwali as a festival where जो evil है अंदर हमारा उसको बाहर करे? पहले इनका ख्याल करो, ये अभी भी जिंदा है. But another funny thing, when one of them passes away, you cannot imagine the pressure that is on our staff here to release the body for burial. Why show? Why do you want to show? When you did not care when the person was alive, why do you want to show that I want to give her or him, my grandma, grandfather, aji, kaki, dada, dadi, or kya uncle, mausi, ab hum log manta kriya karam kare. Arey, what's the point? There's no point. अभी हाथ पकड़ो इनको, अभी खाना खिलाओ, अभी प्यार दुलार दो, गुजर के आंसू गिरा के क्या फायदा? कौन सी है? See, we have young ones here too. There's treatment available if people are not well in their mind. See, वो नानी को देखो, वो नानी तो अपने पोता पोती के साथ घर पे रह के स्टोरी बताएगी, okay? So where is that compassion for these seniors who have been pushed out of the homes, who have been forced to come here? So these are questions we need to ask, and we've always asked these questions. But at the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, अब दिवाली है, नया शुरुआत करो. आज भी अगर आप चाहते हो कि आपके किसी भी फैमिली मेंबर यहाँ से goes back home, we are welcome, and we will continue to provide support. So the whole purpose of today was to sit and eat with you, talk to you, and थोड़ा गाना बजाना है ना, थोड़ा खुशियाँ लाए. So please आप सभी worry नहीं करें. Please don't worry. Don't have that sad face on you. I know you miss your families, okay? But here is a family that loves you and cares for you, okay? If they don't want you, we can't force you to go back home. But while you are here, we will look after you. The ministry has a grant, the government has given a grant to look after you, and we will continue to do that. To the carers here, thank you very much. Thank you very much for the work that you do. Please, at no point in time should they be abused. At no point in time should they be hungry or lack medical facilities, etc. I urge you to put their health, put their lives first and foremost, and I'm sure you are doing that. अच्छा, ठीक तो कल everybody will be celebrating Diwali, and I'd like to wish all Fijians a happy Diwali, and especially all our residents here. I'm sure there'll be something planned for you by the staff, and you will have a great day. And to the rest of Fiji, let the teachings of Diwali fulfill our lives. Let there be light in your life. Let us get rid of all the evil, whatever evil qualities that's in our heart. Let's not think bad about others. Panditji mentioned COVID-19 has been very, very bad on everybody. It has affected everybody. So especially those celebrating Diwali, please think about your neighbors. Think about those that may not have the means to celebrate as you are. And that's all Diwali is about, caring and giving and sharing. And yeah, that's all. So thank you for being here, and I wish you all a very, very happy Diwali. Okay?